Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to manage the active status in Tinder. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and what we want to do is simply go to our profile. At the top left, here's your profile right here, a button like this. Simply click on it. Then this page will open up. Do note that you can edit your profile by clicking on this Edit Info button, but right now we simply want to scroll down on the left section. Let's scroll down. And right here you can see something like Activity Status. It's right below Read Receipts. I'm gonna click on the Recently Active Status button right here, and it's saying something like this: allow Tinder members to see if you were recently active within the last 24 hours on Tinder. We do want to disable it, so let's simply toggle off this button. And guys, there you go. That's how you manage your active status and Tinder. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.